20 years after the deadliest terror attack India has ever seen, the long legal process in the 1992 Bombay blast case has finally ended at the Supreme Court today. Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt was given a 5-year sentence and only one accused, Yakub, MEMON'S death sentence was upheld. But does this mean anything to victims who have been waiting for 2 decades for closure? And will India ever lay its hands on the masterminds Dawood, Ibrahim and Tiger Memon who are hiding in Pakistan? And finally, will the victims of the 1993 communal riots ever get justice? Joining us to debate all of this in the studio, we have A.A. Khan, former ATS chief. We also have Javed Anand, activist and co-editor of Communalism Combat. Joining us also on the panel here is Kirti Ajmera, one of the victims who has at least undergone 40 surgeries. And we'll have 2 other guests from the BJP, Kirit Somaya and film critic Mayank Shekhar. But first, what really happened today? Actor Sanjay Dutt has been given a 5-year sentence by the Supreme Court for illegal weapons possession in a case linked to the 1993 blast case that killed 257 people in Mumbai. Reacting to the verdict, Sanjay has said he will respect the judgment. Dutt has been ordered to surrender within 4 weeks. The court said in its verdict that the charges against Dutt were of a serious nature and the circumstances required them to not grant him probation. Dutt has already served 18 months of a 6-year sentence passed by a Tata court for procuring an AK-56 rifle from gangster Abu Salim. Dutt claimed his family had been threatened at that time and that he had later destroyed the rifle. Dutt's lawyers say he is strong and will fight for himself. Sanjay Dutt has 4 films on the floor and 70 crores are riding on his films. Well, right. What also is important in this entire case is what really happened in the case of Yakub Memon, because he was one of the accused whose sentence has been upheld by the Supreme Court. He had been given the death sentence by the Tata court, and also 10 others who are mainly bombers, but none of them have that the sentence has not been upheld by the Supreme Court. All their sentences have actually been reduced to life sentence. But Yakub Memon played a key role in the entire conspiracy, the court said. He was also the brother of the main absconding conspirator, Tiger Memon, who of course fled to Pakistan soon after the blast really took place. But of course the focus also remains on the victims of the terror attack which took place here in Mumbai. But let's start our discussion. Mr. Khan, first to you. Do you think justice has been served to the people of Mumbai, to the victims, many of whom are here part of a panel? Mr. Ajmera is a victim. Do you think any sort of justice has been done to all these people?
See, I would never consider justice being done unless we get the key accused behind the whole thing. The key accused are comfortably living in Pakistan, and only the tools, the people whom they have used, except for Yakub Memon, the others are more or less tools, people who have been manipulated. They have been convicted. So I don't know whether we would call it justice or not. Anyway, whoever has taken part in the bomb blast, whether wittingly or unwittingly, has been punished. I think that is a little satisfaction.